So now come to question number 14, exercise 2, phase 2 parabola. A line passing through the point and normal to the curve. So this curve, if you square, you will get y square is equal to 4x. Can have, so equation of normal is y is equal to mx minus 2am, y is equal to mx minus 2m minus am cube. Here a is equal to 1. So if a is equal to 1, you will get y is equal to mx minus 2m minus m cube. Now it is passing through 21, 30. So if it is passing through this, 30 is to 21m minus 2m minus m cube. Transfer this term. So m cube minus 19m plus 30 is equal to 0. Now we have to find the roots of this. So by observation, we have to find generally roots of cubic equation 1, minus 1, 0, or half, 2, like that. So 1 is not there definitely. Minus 1 is also not there. So 2, 8, 38, 8, yes. So m is equal to 2 is one root. Once you know the one root, you can find the other roots also. So what will be other roots? In this equation, we have to divide, long division method. M cube minus 19m plus 30. So this is divided by m minus 2, m square. So m cube minus 2m square minus plus, so this will cancel, 2m square minus 19m plus 30 plus 2m. So 2m square minus 4m minus plus, this will cancel, minus 15m plus 30, so minus 15. So this equation will have this, and m square plus 2m minus 15 is equal to 0, or m plus 5 into m minus 3 is equal to 0. So m is equal to 3 and minus 5. M is equal to 3 and m is equal to, now come to this. Out of this, all options are there. Which option is correct? So that we have to identify. So for that, what we will do? First of all, draw the graph which is given. Y is equal to 2 under root x. So y is equal to 2 under root x is in the first quadrant only, like this. And normal is passing through the point 21, 30. So 21, 30 it is passing through this point. So normal will be like this somewhere. 21, 30. So normal will be, see, now this line cannot have normal, will be like this. These lines will be the normals. That means slope of these normals will be always obtuse. Theta is obtuse, so tan theta will be negative. Tan theta cannot be positive. So only m is equal to minus 5, other two are positive, 2 and 3. So these two will be rejected, 2 is rejected, 3 is rejected. Only possibility is minus 5, which is coming for. Yeah. So thank you.